Good morning, tell about yourself.
My name is Maravika. I'm from Pondicherry, India. I completed my UG Computer Science degree in 2021.
You just completed only your UG degree and applying for this big job?
No sir, I done a web technology course for 6 months in G-TEC Computer Education Center Puducherry, and I have attached my course completion certificate with my profile which is valid internationally.
Good. That sounds great. So you are a G-TEC graduate too?
Yes sir, and that is the base of my confidence to apply for this job.
I appreciate your confidence. Do you really know one thing? Me too, a past G-TEC graduate, and now, I'm the CEO of this company.
Oh my goodness, really that sounds great sir, and now, I got more confidence about my G-TEC education.
Now I'm adding more to your confidence. You are appointed for this job.
Thank you so much sir, I feel really grateful. Thank you.
G-TEC Computer Education Puducherry. Number 84, First Floor, J Plaza, Sithananda Nagar, Elapillai Shavadi, near IG Square, Puducherry.